Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. If you want to make professional looking glue joints, this is the way to do it. So we have an 1.5" fitting here. The hub for this fitting is 3/4 of an inch. So we have our pipe. The pencil mark is 3/4 of an inch. So guys, what you don't want to do is you don't want to glue the first 4 inches of the pipe because this won't get covered, so it's going to look absolutely terrible. But if you just glue this amount here, you're going to have a nice clean line at the very end. So we have our line, so we're going to stay to the right side of that line. And then wipe off the excess. So there you have a professional looking joint, nice and neat. So guys, what I'll do now is I'll show you a couple examples of ugly joints. Alright, so here's a couple examples of ugly glue joints. So this is off a tub, this is 1.5". So 1.5" has a 3/4 hub. 2" also has a 3/4 hub. But instead of gluing the first, whatever this is, 3 inches, if you only glue the first 3/4, you're going to avoid all of this ugliness. And here it looks like they just painted the hub because they weren't sure if it was going to hold or not. This here, this is 3 inch. So our hub is 1.5". So once again, just glue the first 1.5". If you glue farther, it gets worse. This is what I cut out, but looking at this all the way around, I mean, it's not a nice looking work. So when it comes to making pro looking glue joints, if you just glue where the pipe is going to sit inside the hub, you're going to have a nice clean looking joint. Even this is not the nicest in the world, but it's definitely better than this stuff here. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.